Welcome to Sigma Group. Today we'll be talking about the various options in which our team can help you sell your used equipment. Let's get into it. Our first option is an outright purchase. We'll make you a cash offer on your used equipment. We'll send the truck, all you have to do is load it. Now, let's say you're not interested in cash. Well, that's where merchandise credit comes in, which can be applied to anything within our inventory. Merchandise credit is great because it allows you to trade in your older equipment for something faster, better, or newer. That's right, we have new equipment here at Sigma as well. Our next option is consignment. Maybe you're trying to free up some space in your facility. Well, why not use some of ours? Our 660,000 square foot warehouse will become a temporary home for your equipment. Meaning, if we bring it in, we'll be able to sell it as part of our very own inventory. And doing so means you're going to get access to some added benefits. For one, your equipment's going to receive its very own custom skid. We build each skid to the individual specifications and requirements of each piece of equipment. Meaning, wherever the equipment may end up, its new home is going to make sure it gets there safely. On top of the custom skid, you'll get access to our photo wall. Our team of dedicated professionals ensures that your equipment is photographed in the most accurate and attractive way possible. Meaning, whoever's maybe looking at it, it's going to stand ahead above the rest of the options. Now, let's say speed is the name of your game. Well, in that case, we need to talk about our auctions department. Our auctions division specializes in bringing in large quantities of equipment and moving them quickly. Whether you're trying to sell a complete line or liquidate your entire facility, there's no project too big or deadline too soon that our auction team can't handle. The great thing about a brokered web listing is our dedicated sales team will work to sell your equipment without it ever leaving your facility. We don't charge you anything for the process, and we're non-exclusive, meaning if you get it sold before we do, no problem. We're just happy you got it sold. As you can see, here at Sigma Group, we have a ton of options to help you sell your used equipment. Whether your pain is money, space, or time, we have the option that'll help fit your needs. Feel free to reach us at sigmaequipment.com.